Yes. So warm greetings to one and present out here. It's me Pawan Gajan here, and today I'm boundless delighted at getting such a kind of opportunity to be here in front of you wonderful people in this wonderful morning on this wonderful occasion. So friends, today's our topic is tense. Okay, present tense we have discussed completely. I told you about all the four types: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay, and I told you the tense definition also. But again, I'm repeating for you. If somebody asks from you what is tense, then what will you say? Tense means time of an action. Okay, tense denotes the time of an action, or in another word we can say tense is a form of verb which tells us about the time of an action. Okay, so this is the definition of tense. So now we have come upon past tense. So firstly we will discuss about past indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense, this is the first type of past identity. Suppose if you are to translate any sentence from Hindi to English, then how will you recognize this sentence? How can you identify that this is past indefinite tense? So for that I am telling, the identity of past indefinite tense is if any Hindi sentence ends with a, e, or tha, tha, te, the, ti, thi. If we are getting the sound at the end of Hindi sentence, then we can say that sentence belongs to past indefinite tense. Okay. Like for example, a, e, this sound, usne झूठ बोला, a sound is coming, झूठ बोला, a sound is coming here. So this last sound is a, so it means this is past indefinite tense, and it is denoting that this action has been completed. This action has gone in past, ये काम हो चुका है past में, ठीक है. A sound also we can get, ठीक है. Like we can say वे घर चले गए, a sound is coming, ठीक है. उसने चाय पी, ई साउंड इज कमिंग एट लास्ट, चाय पी, ई साउंड इज कमिंग. ताथा साउंड कैसे मिलेगा भाई? वो चोरी किया करता था, वो चोरी करता था, तो ताथा साउंड इज कमिंग एट द लास्ट. एंड ते वे स्कूल जाते थे, ठीक है, वे स्कूल जाते थे. ते साउंड इज कमिंग एंड थी साउंड इज आल्सो कमिंग, विल कम लाइक वह अपना होमवर्क करती थी, टी sound is coming here. So this is past indefinite tense. Example I am waiting for you. उसने झूठ बोला, a sound is coming, so it means past indefinite tense. वह चोरी करता था, ताता sound is coming, so it means it is past indefinite tense. So now we know the identity. Use I'm telling in which situation, in which condition can we use past indefinite tense. So let me tell you, past indefinite tense we use for telling about the past happening, past incidents, for telling about those actions which have been finished in the past, which we have done, which has gone in past, तो काम हम कर चुके हैं, ठीक है. So to make a house we need a map. Suppose if we want to make a house, then we need a map. We should have everything pre-planned, that where we are going to prepare kitchen, bedroom, living room, ठीक है, bathroom, everything. We means we are having map already for making a house. So like that, to make a sentence also we need structure, that where we are going to use subject, object, verb, which verb we have to use. So for making sentence we need structures. Okay, so there are 6 type of structures as I told you earlier also. Total 6 type of structure in English: positive, negative, interrogative, negative interrogative, interrogative plus WS question word, and negative interrogative plus WS question word. Okay, so if you talk about positive sentence, how to make sentence in positive way of past indefinite tense. So for that we have the structure: subject plus verb second form plus object. Only verb second form will be used in past indefinite tense in positive sentence. Okay, next is second type structure, negative. So if you want to make negative sentence of any tense, so to make a negative sentence we always use note after helping verb. ठीक है, to make negative sentence we use note, but before that we need a helping verb. If we are talking about present tense, past tense, future tense, means whatever tense we are talking about, to make a negative sentence first we need helping verb, then we use note. So let's make subject plus helping verb we have to use did, and it's negative, so after helping verb we have to use note plus. The main thing that is to be noted is that only in positive sentence we use verb second form, but if we have used did in the sentence, then it will be followed by verb first form. Only verb first form will be used with did, because did is already verb second form. ठीक है, do, did, done. Did is already second form, so that's why verb first form will be used here. And plus object. Okay. So first of all, we should know what is subject, what is verb, what is object. We should know about everything. So what is subject? What do you mean by subject? Subject is the doer of the action. ठीक है? Subject who does the action in a sentence, जो काम को करता है, that is called sentence. और verb, it shows the action word. ठीक है? Which means whatever action is going on in the sentence, that is called verb. कोई भी काम, क्रिया जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं. And object in हिंदी भी से कर्म. Whatever the subject does the action, the effect of his action, जिसके ऊपर पड़ता है, सब्जेक्ट जो काम करता है और उस काम का इफेक्ट जिसके ऊपर पड़ता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, so this is subject, verb, object. So now let's talk about interrogative sentence structure. Yes. So what is interrogative sentence? In which we ask question. Those are called interrogative sentence, and this ends with the interrogative mark. Okay, जिसमें क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. So this is simple interrogative, not WH question word. Its reply will come in yes or no. इसका आंसर yes or no में आता है. ठीक है, simple interrogative. So to make interrogative every sentence, every tense means whatever tense we are having, to make interrogative, whatever verb, helping verb we have in that sentence, that helping verb will be used in the beginning of the sentence before subject. Okay, so here we have to use just did before subject, and other part will remain same. So the structure will be did plus subject plus verb first form plus object, and this is interrogative. So at last question mark. Are you ready, friends? Yes. Speak loudly. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So next will negative
Interrogative.
plus interrogative. I am telling you 6 type now, ठीक है? So negative interrogative. So firstly we should know what is negative interrogative. This type of sentence comes in negative interrogative, in which we ask question and we use not also. क्या आपने खाना नहीं खाया? क्या आपने अपना होमवर्क नहीं किया? क्या उसने झूठ नहीं बोला? क्या तुमने चोरी नहीं की? These are interrogative as well as negative. So negative interrogative. So to make negative interrogative, we have to use not after subject. Okay, everywhere, whether it is present tense, past tense, future tense, in every tense to make a negative interrogative, after subject we have to use not. Okay, so let's make sentence structure now. Did plus subject plus not plus for first form plus object and question mark. Fifth type sentence structure. Interrogative plus WH question verb. So next, fifth type structure. Interrogative as well as WH question word. So firstly we should know what is WH question word. The words which start with W and H letter and which are used to ask the question, like what, when, where, how, whom, why, with whom, ठीक है, which. So these are WH question words. कब, कहाँ, कैसे, क्यों, किस लिए, किसके साथ. Those are WH question words. So to make WH question sentence, we no need to do anything. हमें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just add WH question word here before the structure. This structure we are having already. So before that, in the beginning we need to add WH question word, and the other part will remain same. Our structure will become. Okay. So the structure will be WH question word plus did plus subject plus verb first form plus object and question mark. Stop the video.